Okay, in this lesson at my school here in Okinawa, Japan, we've got 5 kids, 6th graders, elementary school, 2 5th graders, and 1 2nd grader, Dr. Shunsuke. And they're all in their dictionary. They all have a dictionary. They use these dictionaries. It's called a Junior Anchor. And a couple of different versions here. And if you look inside, it's a dictionary for junior high school kids. This is all my kids use from about 3rd grade, from 8-year-olds on up. We use this dictionary. And what they did today is they wrote the sentences on the board. These sentences are in Japanese. On the top, it's Japanese. On the bottom, they wrote the English, but the order is incorrect. So what they're going to do, all the other kids now, they're going to write this in the right order. Okay? And that's today's lesson. Probably take about, I don't know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Depends on the kids. We shall see.